Gary.
Hi. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Can you guess what Gary will say, huh? Can you guess what Gary will say? I'll give you 3 seconds. I'll give you 3 seconds. What will Gary say? Oh, what's wrong, Chad? Why are you saying the M word? I guess Chad was the cat all along. Huh. なるほど.
Meow.
Gary is a man of his words. Doesn't even need words.
Yes.
Speaks
thanks for
through
noticing.
actions. That's the unreserved door which leads to the lighthouse. Yeah, itu entrance ke
There's another golden spatula. I
mercusuar.
could really use that.
Dapat golden spatula. Oke. Ya, wow, Gary, wow, wow,
What do you mean get Sandy to help me?
wow! You almost
can get
tricked
through
me.
this.
Oh, this game is dangerous. Dangerous game. Wow, whoa! I will not read the dialogue anymore. Aku nggak mau baca dialog, no. Wow, whoa! Chill out. Whoa! What do you mean? Get Sandy to help me. I can get through this.
Meow, meow. Oh, that gap looks big. Okay, I'm definitely not making that jump. Holy Dutchman's
I'm not reading
toast,
the dialogue.
That gap looks impossible. Okay, okay.